Huwag mong sabihin na naman in love ako sa isang kolehiyal na hindi ko maintindihan. Huwag na nating idaan sa maboteng usapan, lalo lang madaragdagan ang sakit ng ulo at ibil sa tiyan. Anong sarap kami naging magkaibigan, napuno ako ng pag-asa. Yun pala, hanggang doon lang ang kaya. Akala ko ay pwede pa. Masakit mang isipin, kailangang tanggapin kung kailan ka naging seryoso, saka kanya gagaguhin. Oh, Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Diba, tangina, nagmukha akong tanga, pinaasa niya lang ako, lecheng pag-ibig ko. Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito? Magkasyota, dehins ako naniwala. Di nagtagal, naging ganun na rin ang tema. Kulang na lang ay sagot niya. Ba't ba ang labo niya? Di ko maipinta. Hanggang kailan maghihintay? Ako ay nabuburat na. Pero minamahal ko siya, di biro. Tiel ako sa kanya.
My first kiss went a little like this, and twist, and twist.
My first kiss went a little like this, and twist, and twist.
No more teachers and no more books. I gotta kiss a little bleachers hoping that nobody looks. Lips like licorice, tongue like candy. Excuse me, miss, but can I get you out your in the back of the car, on the way to the bar? I got you on my lips, got you on my lips. At the foot of the stairs, with my fingers in your hair, baby, this is it. She won't ever get enough once she gets a little touch. If I had it my way, you know that I'd make her say, ooh. She won't ever get enough once she gets a little touch. If I had it my way, you know that I'd make her say,
My first kiss went a little like
I said no more sailors and no more soldiers with your name in a heart tattooed up on the shoulders. This is like whiskey, it gets me drunk, and I
Ito lang
wake
na
up in the
pag-usap ka.
morning
Yan,
with the
tawa na lang.
taste
Uy,
of your
kulitan.
tongue. In the